Hello, my name is Tim Anjvari. I am a student of the University of Twente and I studied business and IT. Currently, I'm fulfilling the role of external relations and finance at Electric Superbike Twente. So what my role entails is that I do all the contact with externals, so partners we need for components, financial support or workshops, and I manage all the income and the outflow of cash for Electric Superbike Twente. For that, I am part of the communication sub-team. The communication sub-team consists of a manager who manages all the communications. We have a logistics coordinator, a marketing person, and myself, external and finance. Yeah, so the best part about the communications team is that you act as the bridge between the outside world and the engineers inside. These two parties sometimes speak different languages and you're the one that translates it for all of them. Along with that, you get in contact with different various types of companies, either nationally or internationally, and it's very cool to see what they do and their working culture.